Rocks and minerals. Rocks. Rocks are normally hard. They make up the surface of Earth. Rocks are found under the soil, on riverbeds and seabeds. Rocks are of different kinds. Some rocks are soft, while some may be hard. Rocks may have different colors like white, black, red, and grey. Hard rocks. Granite. It is a hard rock used to make floors. Marble. It is a hard white rock. It is used to make floor and buildings. Taj Mahal is made of marble. Sandstone. It is hard red rock. It is also used to make buildings. Famous buildings like Hawa Mahal and Red Fort are made up of sandstone. Soft rocks. Coal. It is a black soft rock. It produces heat when it is burnt, so it is used to run steam engines. Slate. It is a soft rock. It is used to make roof of houses in hilly areas. Chalk. It is a soft white rock. It leaves mark on objects and hence is used to write on blackboard. Minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Mostly rocks have different minerals mixed together. Minerals play an important role in our daily lives. Quartz. It is the most common mineral that makes up rocks. It is used for making watches. Graphite. It leaves a mark on paper and hence is used to make pencils. China clay. It is a soft mineral and is used to make pottery. Silica. It is used for making glass. Precious stones. Along with these rocks and minerals, Earth contains precious stones which are known as gemstones. These stones are very expensive and are used for making jewelry. Gemstones are very hard substances. These are cut into various shapes and polished before being used. The bigger the stone, the more is its cost. Diamond is the hardest known substance. Cutting and polishing increase the shine of gemstones.